Hello friends, today I will tell you a story. The Greedy Dog. Once upon a time, there was a dog. He had a bone in his mouth. When he was crossing the river, he saw his image in the river. He thought there was another dog with a bone. He started barking. Bow, 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 bow. Suddenly, his bone fell into the water. So the moral of the story is, we should not be greedy. Do you love the story? Should we show greediness? No, we should not show greediness.